Hey, how's it going? It's been a while since I put anything out, so I thought today we would do simple ASMR style scrapping teardown of this Zeiss West Germany. I don't know what this is called. I picked it up at the surplus store in the microscope section. And I think what it is like a external stage. I learned that word with my kid's science fair project.
I was able to find some documentation for this artifact. It was used with the Zeiss Stereomicroscope SV8. It's called the Transmitted Light Unit, and it says it has a light entrance aperture for transmitted light, taking 32mm diameter filters.
I don't know if we can make this work with my other lights, but I think, yeah, there you go. That's the idea. It backlights your object. That's a better idea of how it works. And kind of no matter what angle, there's a best angle, obviously, but like it still kind of fills the whole stage with the lights. Anyway, that's what it does. So now let's take it apart. Nice glass. The lens, just a piece glass plate. Where should we start? What do you think? I'm going to start with the sides. Let me get one of my Gridfinity organizers out for the screws. So yeah, been busy lately. Doesn't feel like I've been getting anything done, but that's because I've been writing code for what I'm calling the barter bot for OpenSauce 2024. Go apply to exhibit if you have something that you want to show off. I think the applications are still open. You get to go to a party on the night you set up with all the creators. Last year there was like a BattleBot exhibition. Well, yeah, BattleBots, not BattleBot's trademark, but NHRL had an exhibition. So yeah, I've been working on that, writing the code in the only way I know how to write code, which is the equivalent of running headfirst into a brick wall until something happens. So that's the inside. Not, a whole lot going on, to be honest. That's surprising to oh, that's okay. So you can see the side that accepts the light, where you put the light in, is a nice polished mirror. It's very dusty, but it's polished. And this side is diffuse. Diffuse. To, like you saw, spread out that light evenly underneath the glass. I don't like this. That's gross. I don't know what that is. It's probably powdered metal, maybe from machining. Like the slurry. Gross. Anyway, not a whole lot going on in here, but fun little teardown nonetheless. There you go. Yeah. Threaded. Some sort of strong little pin for those. So we can take this off. Just dropped all my screws. So yeah, anyway, been busy being a stay-at-home dad. My kid was just diagnosed with autism, and so trying to learn and support him. Honestly, learning a lot about myself in the process. Still. Man. Oh, some fun news. The local theater, the Kenworthy Performing Arts Center, is going to host the Oracle, my horoscope machine that I built in the lobby for a showing of Big, you know, the one with Tom Hanks where he gets turned into a kid by a fortune-telling machine, Zoltar. So that's cool. I'm excited about that. That's this Saturday. You know, got it set to free mode so people can come. Oops, I just broke that off in there. Oh well. Come get their own horoscope before they see the movie. All right, well, this wasn't very exciting. My hands are covered in some unknown substance. So is my table. I'm gonna go clean this up. Let's see if we can get these off. They are threaded, I have confirmed. Yeah. All right, there we go. I'm gonna leave the feet on. I use this for an enclosure for something. I'd like to have those. All right, let's get this out onto a plate. Nice. Oh, there you go. One Zeiss, made in West Germany, external stage, I don't know, illuminator, mirror, whatever you want to call it. I think it'll make a cool project box for something. Alright, thanks for watching. Keep trying to make stuff better.
Pero